A wave of emotions on Capitol Hill today as lawmakers discussed nationwide injunctions. During a Senate committee hearing, Republicans argued one judge should not have the power to derail President Trump's policies. Democrats pushing back. The National News Desk, Jeff Harris, joining us. So a contentious hearing, obviously, lawmakers from both sides just going back and forth across the aisle. Break down what happened.
So the title of today's hearing, Dee, the least dangerous branch, district judges versus President Trump. Right from the start, lawmakers really going at it today. GOP members demanding a stop to all these nationwide injunctions, while Democrats argue judges are really just doing their jobs. Senators Ted Cruz and Cory Booker sparring on Capitol Hill Tuesday over the rise in threats made to federal judges. Cruz directly taking aim at Democrats.
Angry mobs were outside the Supreme Court justices' homes. And in the entire course of it, the Biden Justice Department prosecuted nobody.
That is a patent lie, sir. We were not silent. We took action.
The exchange taking place during a Senate Judiciary hearing examining the record number of nationwide injunctions issued by judges against executive actions by President Trump.
There can be no democratic accountability, no Republican government with an overly activist judiciary.
Donald Trump's administration is engaged in unprecedented lawlessness. Period.
Among those testifying, Josh Blackman, Centennial Chair of Constitutional Law at South Texas, telling lawmakers too many lower court judges seem to have a superiority complex.
We're witnessing a never-ending onslaught of universal injunctions that make it nearly impossible for the executive branch to function.
But Kate Shaw, a law professor at Penn, disagrees, testifying the current administration's losing streak in federal court does not reflect judicial overreach.
The reason there has been such wide and cross-ideological consensus over the impermissibility of the administration's actions is because the actions have been plainly unlawful.
Now, the House previously approved legislation to limit the ability of lower court judges to issue temporary blocks on policies with nationwide implications, but the Senate has yet to vote on it. Reporting for the National News Desk, I'm Jeff Harris.